First, I'm Ammar Yasser from Mansour University, Faculty of Agriculture, Biotechnology program. Now I'll present to you biosensor. So, what's a biosensor? How does they work? When we talk about biosensor, we should mention the father of biosensor, Professor Leland Clark, the inventor of biosensor. What's a biosensor? Biosensor is an analytical tool or device that can be used to make a detection of an analyte. These are the components of biosensor. We have here the element or recognition element like enzyme, antibody, or DNA or microorganisms that we can use to recognize an element. The reaction between the element, the analyte, and the recognition element will give us a signal. This signal will transform it and by the transducer to another signal to measure. This figure shows us the Dr. Clark experiments on the glucose. When glucose reacts with enzyme glucose oxidase, will give us gluconic acid and hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide in the presence of platinum will give us electrons. These electrons are the signals that we will detect. This is another biosensor, depends on the cell, like beta lymphocyte. When a bacteria cell binds on its surface, the bacteria will glow, like I made a structure of this cell. When a bacteria binds on its surface, the bacteria will glow like this. So we will talk about applications of biosensor. Applications of biosensor unlimited. Nowadays they use in all over fields, but we will mention some of common applications like blood glucose biosensor, pregnancy test biosensor, and the biocleaner biosensor that use a bacteria to clean the ocean from the oil and make waves that can expel the animals away from the polluted area. And thank you.
طبعا بنشكر الكانديديتس في زراعه المنصوره. واضح ان هم كمان بيابلاي الايدياز بتاعتهم. دلوقتي البرزنتيشن في البايسنسرز للريبريزنتر بتاع جامعه جي سي، يقدر يتفضل.